Hey guys, what's up? Fun Stuff 177 here, back with another video. It's been such a long time, I'm so sorry. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Hillary Havit First Blood gaming keyboard. It's pretty cool. Go away, group chat, gang. I'm going to be testing it out with BeamMG Drive, if you can see right here. I like the spacebar, which is pretty cool. The mouse is really cool. If you hit FN, see that FN right there? It turns on if it goes into sleep mode. If you want to change settings to you have to hit F and escape. So you just can mess around with that. That's all I can do. So let me turn off some lights. Look at that thing. One thing I don't like is that the keys don't light up, like the numbers, but oh well. The mouse is actually really cool. It feels very, very high quality. This shipped. There's a little something broken in it, but I can just click it back in. Overall, I think this is one of the coolest keyboards I've used, so I'm going to be doing this real quick. So as you can see, it's really good. It's just my computer's frame rate right now, because I have like a bunch of cars in this world. There's a new update too, so there's still bugs, stuff like that. But this thing, honestly, it's one of my definitely favorites, keyboards. They feel really good as you push them, but it's pretty cool. So I recommend getting it.